name is Park. I'm here to introduce my completed um, project called YouTube Summarizer. This is a large language model solution to help you summarize the videos on YouTube. So we know some of the YouTubers, they generate their own summarization and snippets of the video, but it's not always the case. So this project will be offering functionality to provide concise summary of each essence point, and also offering a starting point. So if you're interested, you can just feel free to dive in. And the tech stack I'm using is Spring Boot with Spring AI and large language model, of course, OpenAI. And I'm using this cloud service provider, Upstash, for Redis, and gRPC for the microservice calling. So here is the general architecture of the application. So when user sending a request with the YouTube video ID and it hits the Outpost core service. So it will be grabbing the video captions using gRPC, and it will be getting the captions in the Python service. And if the caption exists in the cache, we'll just be grabbing right away. Otherwise, we'll be using a YouTube data API. And after retrieving the caption, we'll be sending to the OpenAI with prompt, and then we'll be returning a response with JSON or string. So here, so here is a quick demo, I guess. Right. Say this one here.
Brainfuck, a min.
Oh, okay. Right. So I was using this one as the demo here. So it's just copy the video ID and we'll send it. So by default, it will be in JSON format. It's pretty clean. So we have the summary, we have the start at. So this is about a minimal esoteric programming language, and we have some of the details saying it's created in 1993, and then here. Um, so this is in seconds. It's 1 minute and 10 seconds. Let's go here. So it's saying the video demonstrate how to output the phrase "Hi Mom," and let's see if that's true.
8-bit numbers, all set to 0. To say hi mom, we'll need to set each number to its corresponding ASCII character. We can increment.
Okay, yeah, so that's pretty accurate. And say if we want to output as string, meaning we don't need those star at, we just need the summary. And here, so we have a pretty clean output of the summaries. And let's dive into the code here. So we have first the here we have the large language model usage. So that's the core service. So here we're providing a here we're providing a prompt, and this is the system prompt which will be telling the OpenAI model what what it will be expecting to do, and the following will be user prompt. So the user prompt message is concatenated with the YouTube caption DTO, which is grabbed from the caption manager get caption, which is generated by protobuf and gRPC. So that's here, right. So here we're using a blocking stop. Yeah, because we're now streaming the data, and this is generated by the protobuf here. So this is the schema. Um, so we have the my service. That's the service in the caption controller, and the message will be video ID, and the response supposed will be repeated. So that means it's an array of YouTube caption, and it includes text, start, and duration. So one thing I learned with different languages. So I have a similar protobuf. I have a proto file here with written in Python, but it took me a while to notice that it only so as long as the package name is same, they will be sharing the same service. Otherwise, it won't work. So they have to be in the same package. And yeah, that's the Spring Boot Spring AI part. And what's next? Right. So it goes to here. Um, it gets to the gRPC server. Um, do, do, do. So here we have the gRPC server. So we'll be getting the transcription or the caption from the Redis, and um, if it doesn't happen, then we will just be grabbing it from the YouTube caption client dot transcript, which is here. So I'm using a library called the YouTube Transcription API, uh, and it will be grabbing the data pretty handy. So um, you may wonder, why do I use gRPC instead of like the JSON, because that's wildly common now and easy to use. So here's the example. So so this my service response video ID. Um, it's it's saving the protobuf byte bit into Redis, and you can see here it's about um, 3 kilobytes. And if we go to here, the YouTube one, the JSON one, sorry, um, you can see here it gets bigger right away. So it's about almost 6 kilobytes. So you can see here it has about like 30% reduce in the size. And if it goes larger, say I will be choosing this one here. So this is about 82 kilobytes, and if you find here, and that's 140. So protobuf, it saves a lot of space, and it also helps with transmission networking. Um, and um, yeah, that's pretty much. Um, and here, I'm also including the Docker files for both of the service. So you can just check out and build your own YouTube summarizer, quite handy. And also we have a Docker compose. So here, so I'm actually using a Dockerized gRPC server just for the ease of my life. All right. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.